Welcome to today's session. We are still waiting for a few people to join us, but I think keeping the fact that we have to try and finish this postcard together today, we are going to start the workshop and everybody else can join us. So to introduce you about our concept for today's workshop, today we are doing a special workshop. It's the first time that we're doing a postcard workshop in collaboration with another studio. So Studio H Design, which is us, is collaborating with And Also, which is a brand that sells wearable accessories, and they do beautiful products. I love it so much that even I'm wearing one today. We decided to come together because our brand philosophies are the same and we believe in spreading happiness. Through our postcard workshops, we are trying to do everything that makes one happy. So I would like to introduce Divisha Kedia to all of you, who's going to come and say a little about her brand, and then we're going to start making something very cool at today's workshop. Hi Divisha.
Hi, thank you so much. I don't think I need to say anything about my brand, but I would definitely like to say that we at And Also have been loving how you've been doing your bit to please continue doing this after the lockdown is over as well. And we are very, very excited to see your new products, which I'm sure are going to make our lives much, much easier.
Thank you so much. So everybody, we all know that the theme for today is the Wildflower Girl. Now we all have a Wildflower Girl in us, and if you're a boy who's joining us for this session today, don't worry about it. You're not out of place. There's a wildflower in you too, and you can explore that as well. You're the wildflower boy and not in a fancy way, so don't worry about it. So well, today's session is going to be all things fun. As you can see over here, and the ones who are joining me again know the entire drill of this. For the new ones, what I do is I show you what we are going to draw at the beginning of the session, and through the session I take you through the whole drawing process, and at the end of it you'll have a cool postcard like that. So today we are drawing a girl which is wild, free, easy and happy. The person in all of us, the person who's truly ourselves. Now, wild doesn't have to be a negative connotation. Wild can just be our own happy selves, our original selves. And we have a lot of little ones joining us today. So trust me, you are your mom's and your dad's little flower. So remember that, and let's start on a happy note. I'm going to show you what I made after this in a little while. So does everyone have their postcards? Can I see it please? 4x6 postcards. Perfect. So we're going to start. At any point, I'm going to mute all of you right now, and at any point, if there is something that you want to ask me, please feel free to prompt me, unmute yourself and ask the question. Better still, type it in the chat box. I'm going to go at a certain pace. If you think I'm going fast or slow, please let me know. So let's begin. Now this is something that's a lot of fun and very easy to draw. What we are going to do is we are going to start with drawing an upturned U. So take your postcard, hold it horizontally, and about in the center of your postcard, let's draw an upturned U. We are doing the outer line right now, so make sure that it's the bigger U that you're drawing. So that would look something like this.
Ma'am, please wait a second. My mama is cutting the papers.
No problem. You can join us once you're ready.
Do we have to draw that on a paper?
Yes.
Okay. That's done.
So while we start drawing this wildflower girl, I would like Divisha to tell us a little bit about what she thinks the And Also Wildflower Girl should be like.
Thank you. So the And Also Wildflower Girl is actually a metaphor for unconventional beauty. And she is inspired by the wildflower. And she is the emblem of independence, of freedom. It's basically a message for all the girls out there, and like you said, even the boys, that be your own wild selves and just do whatever you love and do whatever makes you happy.
Awesome. So I've gone ahead and finished my U. Well, now I call it the U, but these are actually the legs of our little girl. So if all of you have done this, please keep showing it to me and I can proceed. Looks good. While we are drawing, I want all of you to remember the rules of our workshop. Nobody is perfect. Any colors will do. Draw what you want. It's your own palette, your own design, and you are your own Picasso. And towards the end of the session, I have a very special announcement for all of you. So now I'm going to draw the hands. Now this is a little tricky. What we'll do is I'm going to start from somewhere in the middle of this U, and I'm going to take a straight line down, which is something like this. And then I'm going to match it from the other side approximately. Don't worry about perfection. Don't worry about everything being even. I'm going to match it here and take it down as well. I'm using a black pen to do this. If you're more comfortable with doing this.
Danica, mommy,
Yes,
look at mine.
it's very nice. Isn't it fun, everybody, to have little ones join us with this as well? I hope you don't mind the interruptions. They're all happy faces joining us. So, we are going to make sure that this is approximately parallel. And I was saying that if you want to draw it with a pencil first, feel free to do that. But don't worry, a black pen is just fine. I love mistakes. We'll improve your postcard if we make a little bit of mistakes. So don't worry about it. So take it down. Now what I'm going to do is make a little, so that her hand is resting on the floor like that. So I'm going to make it like a V on both the sides. And then I'm going to take it up. Now remember, to make it look a little natural, I'm going to give a little dent on her elbow, which is something like that. So if you see, it's a very slight dent, but it makes a difference when you're in
Danica, mommy,
Yes.
can I join it?
Yes, you can. So this is what we're going to do on both the sides. And then we are going to go and make her neck. Make sure that you leave at least this much gap for the body, because we are going to draw the body and we are going to make her wear an and also belt. So that's the fun part. Now the and also belt comes in six styles, right, Divisha? So maybe we can let everybody choose their styles.
Yes.
Okay, so this is what I've done. Have we all been able to do this much? After I finished the hands, I just took 2 lines up and brought 2 lines down. The style that we are drawing today is called an illustration. Now, a lot of graphic designers, and I'm sure you've seen it a lot on the internet and different styles of drawing, that illustrations are becoming very popular these days because they're a very natural form of drawing. And once you've done this, you will be able to tell everybody that you've drawn your own illustration as well. It's easy, right? We'll make it easy. So if we've all done this much, can I see your postcard so that I can go ahead and do the face? Looks good. If I'm going fast or so, please let me know. Okay, so now I'm going to do the face. Now the face is something that you might think is difficult, but it's not. What I'm doing is, I'm basically making a circle with a pointed top. Something like that. So we do have a few of my friends who are very good illustrators themselves, and yet they're drawing with us just for the community, just to be with all of us. And there's a big shout out to all of you. Hi guys! Please send me your postcards later and I can show off to my postcard tribe how pretty you guys draw. Have you been able to do this up till now? See, my circle wasn't perfect and that's absolutely okay. So don't worry about perfection, just enjoy the process. And I also have some light music playing in the background, so I hope you guys have your tea, coffee, music, whatever makes you happy. This is your happy hour. Alright, so now we're going to draw the hair, which is my favorite part. I like her hair to flow down like that. This is your wildflower girl. Her hair can be the way you like it to be. So if we've all done this much, then let's go ahead and finish the face and the body. For the face, I'm doing something very simple. I'm just making 2 round eyes like that, which we're going to accentuate later. And then we'll do the lips. Now for the lips, I'm first going to make a little curve like that. I hope everybody is being able to follow. Please give me a thumbs up if we are all following. Good. Nice to see all of you. Perfect. So now we go ahead and finish the lips. And I'm drawing an upturned bird for the lips. Now I know this looks like a little bird when you turn it up like that, but when we fill color in it, it looks rather cute. And I made it a little big because I want the lips to stand out. Your lips can even be a round circle, they can be a pout like that. Try what you like. The lips don't have to be identical like mine. Once we've done this, we will now make her wear like a bodice. So something like that. If you want to make her wear a tank top, if you want to make her wear maybe a shirt like mine or something like what you're wearing, please feel free to do that. Again, remember, this is your wildflower girl and she can be the way you like her to be. I'm going to make her wear the belt later on top. So to finish this, I'm going to make her wear shoes. Now you can make her wear stilettos, you can make her wear heels, or you can make her wear simple, pretty shoes like these. Remember, the idea of this postcard workshop is not to make your girl look aesthetically very beautiful, but the postcard to look happy and to give you that positive vibration, to remind you that the wildflower girl in you is still there. She's the happy, free self. So now, the fun part. We are going to start coloring in a very short while. I'm going to draw the pants. Now the pants that I've drawn here have stripes. You can do stripes, but if you're feeling quirky, you can even do a chevron pant, you can do a plain pair of pants, you can absolutely be free and try whatever style you like. So for my striped pants, I'm actually going to draw inside my pants because I want the stripes to show clearly, because I want to use 2 complementing colors. So I'm going to draw 2 little stripes like that. Something like that. And I'm going to draw another one next to it. Oh wow, polka dots, nice. So someone's drawn a polka dot pants, guys. If you guys are feeling polka dotty, do that and that will match your backdrop as well. This is what I tried. So I did 2 versions for this postcard because I was wanting to try a quirky style. I'm going to show you both the versions very shortly. So you can do what you like. So at the end of it, my pants look like a rainbow. You can even fill them in with rainbow colors if you like. If we all have so far, let's go ahead and finish up our drawing part so that we can start coloring. So I also want to put flowers in her hair, but we'll do that a little later. I'm going to use a green and a blue to color my pants. Can I see everybody's colors? What colors are you using to color your pants? Pick 2 colors. They can be the same as mine. They can be different. However you're feeling today. Blue and pink, green and blue. So many colors. Wow, someone's doing a rainbow. And Divisha is also doing a lot of colors. Divisha, tell us your colors.
I just think they are all the happy colors. So basically, to talk about the different moods of a wildflower girl, she can be in whatever mood she wants to, and she's still perfect.
Awesome. So now we're going to start coloring. This is my favorite part, guys. I have these brush pens that I color with, and the ones who are joining us for the first time, let me introduce you to the most favorite pens that I possess. These are very readily available in the market. They're so fun to color with because they're actually like paints. But for the not so artistic ones, like me, trust me, I'm not very artistic. I just enjoy doing these quirky things. These pens are perfect. They make strokes like a brush.
Anika, what are you painting right now? Just the pants with two colors.
Sorry, come again, please.
I'm saying, what are you painting right now? Just the pants with two colors, na?
Yes, I'm doing pants with two colors. So I'm filling the inside stripes blue and the outside stripes green. But you can do whatever colors you like. So these brush pens, guys, if this is something that you're enjoying, then please pick them up. They're a lot of fun. And if you don't enjoy brush pens, it's absolutely cool. Get any colors that you like, whatever floats your boat. I remember speaking about making an art journal 2 workshops ago, and something very happy happened today. 2 people messaged me saying their daughter and themselves have started making their art journal, and they sent me beautiful pictures. So guys, if this is something that makes you happy, an art journal is something that you must start maintaining. Draw whatever comes to your heart, be it a wildflower girl. You can press a flower and draw around it. I even like to send my stamps that I send for the postcards or absolutely anything. Can you show me what you're making today? I joined late. Hi! I know some of us joined late, no problem. This is what we're doing. Please try to catch up. I know my girl currently looks like she's wearing a mustache, but trust me, when I fill the color in, she would look pretty cool. The fun part about this is I never judge my drawings. I never tear it apart and make another one because I think it needs to be perfect. I go with what I did in the first go with my pen so that I'm able to draw with completely my heart and nothing else. One of you have raised their hand. Do you want to ask something? Ananya and Miraya? Please ask me. Oh, that looks nice. So cool. Looks wonderful. Okay, so if everyone's colored this much so far, we're going to color the body now. I have this brown pen which looks a little like this. Now I know that not all of you would have the brush pens that I'm using. It's absolutely fine. If you're using colors, then you can use a skin color, which is a beige. If you don't have a proper skin color also, you can use a yellow, which is also okay, or any light color. It's absolutely okay even to leave the body white, and maybe we can then color the background something. So, we can give the background a nice deep color so that your white body doesn't look odd. So,
Anika, mommy,
color you have, yes?
look at mine if it's okay.
Show me. Oh wow, it's so pretty. I love it. Start coloring. So I'm going to color her body. They say drawing is also a form of meditation. Doing arts and doodles are also a form of meditation. So if you feel like you're someone who can't sit with their eyes closed and focus on their breathing and meditation is not my cup of tea, don't worry about it. Do a doodle every day. Draw whatever you want. Do patterns. We did a meditation workshop where we just drew patterns, and trust me, at the end of it, all our feedbacks were so positive. I'm trying to show you some of them. This is what we made, and we truly enjoyed the process. So if this is something that you're looking for, we have these videos and you can definitely go back to them. So my body is complete. I want to color her hair now. I want to use this color to do her hair. If you want to do like a black or maybe a brunette, you can see color the hair whatever you like. Why I'm doing this color is because I want her to wear flowers in her hair. If you don't want her to wear flowers in your girl's hair, you can do any other color as well. Once you've done the hair, I'm going to fill in the eyes. This is what the postcard looks like up till now. Once you've done this much, I'm going to just take my black pen and fill in the eyes. Like that. And then I'm going to give her pretty eyelashes. So basically, just draw.
Mommy,
Yes.
I made some mistakes in mine.
No problem. You can color over it.
Yes, okay.
That's the fun part about mistakes, guys. We can always fix them. So this is what I've done with the eyes. I've made them nice and pretty. So if you want her to have big pretty eyelashes, you can do that. If you want her to have pretty eyebrows, you can do that. Go with what you're feeling like. This is your girl, and if you're a boy who's drawing with us, this is your girlfriend. So make her pretty. Now my favorite part, the lips. I'm using a happy red to make her wear this lipstick. And I'm going to color her top yellow. Again, feel free to use the colors that you want. I also want her shoes to be red, just because I think that color will make my postcard quirky. If you want the shoes to be some other color, of course, do that. Be your own Picasso, like I said. I was telling you guys about the art journal, and what I like to put in my art journal is absolutely anything. Anything that I see. I made these, when I was doing the second workshop, I made these little small drawings which are going to go into my art journal. And while you're finishing up your coloring, let me show you. Okay, I'll show you this part when we do the background. So, coming to the belt. Now, because we're doing...
Danica, mommy,
Yes?
I'm done.
Oh wow! So let's make the belt now, okay?
Okay.
Alright, can everybody show me the wildflower girl? Hold it up, please. Have we all finished the wildflower girl up till now? Looks nice. Wow. Okay, a lot of you are holding it up like that. Guys, she's standing. She's not doing yoga in the air. So this is your postcard. Your straight postcard should look like this. Awesome.
This is really cool.
So now we are going to make her wear a belt. There are two options you have today. The belt that I'm wearing, and Divisha, can you show us the belt that you're wearing and tell us what the names of both of these belts are?
So what I'm wearing is the Everlasting belt. It's a very easy belt to wear and make, so you can definitely go ahead with this one. And what Pranika is wearing is the Timeless belt, which can be worn in like 4 or 5 different ways, so you can experiment it with your drawing for sure. Go ahead and try whichever one you want to, even if it's not one of these designs.
Okay. So I'm going to make her wear the belt that I'm wearing. I did make another drawing where I made her wear a belt like this, which actually ties on the waist, but we can't see her waist. So this was another and also belt that you did. You can make her wear whatever belt that you like. What I'm doing is something like this, because it has this little embellishment in the middle which has pretty flowers on it. So I'm going to take 2 strings. So I'm drawing something like this with a donut in the middle, and I'm going to fill a little design in there. Because my belt is green in color, I'm going to choose that color, but of course this is an accessory that your girl is wearing, so make her wear any fun accessory. And yes, of course, talking about accessories, I want to make her wear earrings, guys. So this is what I've done. She's wearing hoops now. What about your girl? Show me.
Can we make necklace? Can we make a necklace?
Make her wear whatever you want. Whatever accessory is your favorite. So once I've done this, I am going to now color. So my belt is going to be green. So just color in those lines. Why we are making the belt on top is because this is an accessory that you wear on top. So I've colored those lines and I want the inside to be a happy color because there's like a nice pattern inside. This is your accessory, so this can be the way you like. And now my favorite part. I'm going to put flowers in her hair. So I'm making pretty simple flowers like that. You can make her wear any flower that you like, any flower that's your favorite. Can I see everybody's postcards? I hope you guys are enjoying this and I hope we are all together. Nice. Looks cool. Awesome. What I'm also going to do now is I want to spread these flowers as my background. This is the background that I'm going to do. If you want to try something different, this is something that I had also done last night when I was deciding what to do for today's workshop. And if you want to do something completely different, you can do stripes, you can do checks, you can do just circles, concentric circles, you can do a full plain background. So do what you're feeling like. What would be nice is to draw the same flower that's in her hair around as a background. Because our theme is a wildflower girl, we've added these pretty flowers. And I believe, Divisha, your and also belts also are themed around flowers, right?
Yes, they are. So actually, wildflowers all have their own distinct personalities. So that's what we've tried to also show with the belts, that all of us have our own personalities and each and every one is unique. So we should always shine and just be ourselves and let our personality do the talk.
That's awesome.
Excuse me.
And so true, right?
Excuse me.
Yes.
Can we make cactus around this?
Oh wow, that's a very cute idea. Please make cactus around it. So see guys, when we all get creative, we come up with such cool ideas. If you guys want to take inspiration from that idea, you can make cactus around it also. I want my hoops to be of this purple color, so I'm going to color my hoops pink. And I'm also going to add a little detail to her hands. So what I'm going to do is make fingers like that and accentuate some body parts. So what I've done is made fingers over here, added colors to the hoops and accentuated these body parts only to make it look like this is an actual, basically an illustration looks better when it's a little more detailed. So by adding these small details, your illustration looks a little more like a natural human figure. Of course, we're doing a quirky version, but why not make it look as natural as we can, right? This is
Ranika, Mommy.
Yes?
I'm done.
Oh wow! That's awesome! Do you want to color the flowers now or you can do your background yellow? Looks nice! Awesome, I love it! So guys, I'm going to now do polka dots in my background and you can do whatever you are feeling like. I'm also going to dress up my roses, or maybe not, I don't like roses, so I don't know what to call these flowers, maybe hibiscus. In the end, I'm going to add a little detail to them. If you want to add a little detail to your flowers already, you can do that. And while you're all drawing your background, let me show you what I was showing you earlier. This is what I drew last night also, and I was contemplating which one to do, and then Divisha and I decided to do this one. But we can do this another time. If you like it, please text me, message me, write in the chat here, and we can do a workshop for this one also. This is a girl, this is my version of the wildflower girl also, who is so calm and happy. Someone who I'm always trying to be calm. I'm sure with my chitter chatter on the workshop, you know that I can talk a lot. So coming back to our wildflower girl from today, let's finish up our polka dots. If you're doing a different background, please hold it up. I want to see. Cactus, so pretty. Flowers, bigger flowers, nice. Nice. Oranges, so cool. Guys, I'm loving the versions that we're all doing. Flowers.
Radhika mommy,
Yes,
look at mine.
I love yours. It's so pretty. So let's go ahead and finish our backdrop. Now, if you're doing these polka dots, remember it's a backdrop that you're doing. So I would like it to blend behind her also, like that. You can balance it out the way I've done now. And guys, while we are close to finishing our workshop, let me make that special announcement that I wanted to make. I have a very supportive family and I'm so blessed and so lucky, and with everybody's support, this is doing so well, these workshops. Just not me, but I think all of you are enjoying them so much as well, that yesterday we set up our own YouTube channel so that you don't miss any workshop. We're going to put up the recordings of all of these workshops and you can make them in your home at your time with your friends. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's called Sketch by H. If you can't find it because there are very few viewers right now, you can search for it saying Sketch by H Postcard Workshop and you will find our first video and many others. So join the tribe, guys. If this is your passion, if this calls out to you, join the tribe. The postcard workshops are not the only thing that we're going to be uploading on that page. We are coming up with a really cool line of stationery. And when I say really cool, trust me, it's a lot of fun. So you can even learn about those products and maybe get one for yourselves. So my background is ready, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add leaves to some of my flowers, not all of my flowers. So if you want to do that, please do that. I've actually drawn leaves to all of my flowers except for the ones that are in her hair. What I'm going to do to add to the detailing is also add a black border just to some of them. These small details just make your postcard look better. If you don't like the white space on your postcard, you can add stripes on this as well in a different color. You can just make it interesting the way you like. And to complete the postcard, I would request all of you to first take a minute to think about how you're feeling right now and then write what you are feeling like. So in the two versions that I did, one of them I wrote my topsy-turvy happy perspective. So if this is something that you want to write, you can do that. And well, in the other one I wrote something very silly but cute, which says I'm cool, I'm so cool. So if you're feeling like that, then you can write that as well. And if you want more inspiration, you can even write believe in yourself, you can write happy vibes, you can write positive energy, you can write the wildflower girl in me, you can write the name of a flower, you can write the hibiscus shining bright in me. So absolutely anything. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write a bunch of words around my circles for this one. So I'm going to make it interesting and write wild. So this is what I'm doing. wild, free, and I'm gonna write happy. So words like that. So
Ranika mommy,
yes,
is the class done?
yes. It's if you finish writing, then the class is done.
I'm finished writing.
Oh wow! You can show us your postcard. That's very nice. We love it. I'm sure all of you are loving this happy chirpy voice joining us. So I'm writing words like wild, free, happy. And you see, every time I drew the postcard, because of my mood, my words kept changing. So in your little art journal, which you've been making with me with all of these postcards, your postcards can go to your art journal as well. Your mood makes a lot of difference, and by the end of it, they'll all be happy. Wow, I love this. So wild, free, happy, bright, and positive are my notes. And I'm also going to write Queen. So this is what my postcard looks like, guys. What about you guys? Are we able to finish together? Wow, these are some gorgeous postcards. I think the number of backdrops that we've experimented with today are the most different ones among all our workshops. I'm sure you will all love seeing them. So what I want all of you to do is make sure that you send me a picture of this postcard, upload it on Instagram if you are on Instagram, tag us at @Studio H Design, and definitely tag and also, and tag the belt that she is wearing. The Instagram handle for and also is _and also. Send me a picture, reach out to me, share with me about how happy you felt doing this workshop. Share your experience and tell us if you like this. We'll do more and more and more. I love all your postcards, guys. Remember to send me photos. The little ones, please tell your mama to send us photos. If you registered with us with an email ID, please email the picture to us. Of course, put it up on social media, show it off to your friends. And be happy, be wild, be free. Enjoy your day. Carry the happy vibes with you. And before we sign off, I want all of you to close your eyes for 1 minute and think of one thing that you have gratitude for in your heart. And if there is more than one thing that you can think of today, you are so blessed, and so am I, to be doing this workshop with you. So guys, with a full heart and such a happy turnout, thank you so much for joining us today. Trisha, please give us your happy goodbye sentence.
Thank you so much for making me a part of this. My
Bye.
perfect and perfect.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
We had a lovely time.
Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us, guys. Let's do a postcard wave before we go. Can I see everybody's postcards?
Okay.
Thank you, guys. I truly enjoyed today's workshop. I hope you did too. Love it, love it, love it. Sending you guys lots of love. See you again.